Hey, what is up guys? This is 3MT Reviews and welcome to the unboxing of the Mi Band 3, the new fitness tracker from Xiaomi. The Mi Band 3 comes in this neat looking white case. On the back of the box, it says there's a fitness tracker, a wristband, a charging cable and the user manual inside. The price reads $21.99, though it's on sale for $1,999 on the Mi website. Let's open this thing up. Here's the fitness tracker and we'll look at it in a while. This is the band and it's made of high quality rubber and has a metal clasp. It's pretty long, so it should fit most wrists. This is the proprietary charging cable for the tracker. And it slides into the charger like this. And lastly, this is the user manual. So the fitness tracker itself is made of plastic and has curved edges all around. The indent you see here is the select button. On the back is the heart rate monitor and below it is the Mi branding. On the bottom of the tracker is the charging port. The tracker slides into the band and almost snaps into place. The fit and finish is top rate and the glossy matte finish combo looks really nice and feels premium for its price. To set up the Mi Band 3, you can either scan the QR code in the user manual or just look for the Mi Fit app on the Play Store. Once installed, the tracker connects to the phone using Bluetooth, which you have to leave on to use it as intended. So here's the watch face and you trigger it using the button. Navigation through the menus is done by swiping up on the touchscreen OLED display. You can cycle through heart rate, weather, exercise, etc. etc. Swiping right takes you into the sub-menus. Here you can see that I've covered only a distance of 28 meters. To measure your heart rate, you have to long press the button and it takes a few seconds to come up with a statistic. 81? Should I be worried? The Mi Band 3 also displays weather for 3 days, including minimum and maximum temperature. And as you can see, haze is already setting here in the capital. You can also track your exercise routine, and here's my feeble attempt at trying to lose weight and burn some calories. In the extras menu, you get a stopwatch, you can also put your phone on silent mode right from the Mi Band itself, and find your phone. There are options for watch faces too, though it's limited to 3, with either time and date, with time and date and the step counter, and one with a large font face. The best bit though is that it can show you notifications like this one, my mom's calling me. I'll disconnect for now. And this one, my mom WhatsApping me now, though she knows that I'm in the studio shooting. Anyway, jokes aside, the Mi Band 3 is a typical Xiaomi product. Good feature set, good build quality and fantastic pricing. It's all the smart wearable you'll ever need. Go ahead and get one for yourself if you want one. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.